sunny and 75 outside. Look at this. There's still snow on the ground. It is almost April, and it's still trying to be winter outside. Justin,
what's up?
You look homeless.
I am homeless.
Let's see. Good.
Good.
So we're gonna show Justin's new car here.
Work in progress.
His loaner car. Someone lent him a Mustang. Look at that weapon. Hey, did you run over any spectators with it yet?
A couple sideways.
Yeah.
But he's like, I'm going to... I don't even know if I'm allowed to say where he's going. He's not supposed to be going there the route he's going to get there. He's like, we could do it the easy way or we could do it the hard way. And he chose the hard way. So he's like, if I don't come back, the car is yours. But he hit the ditch last year with it, and then he just kind of gave up on it.
There's no brake dust on there?
Yeah.
No brakes left?
No brakes. It's literally steel on steel. So I'm getting the brakes done for him. And then,
typical
Mustang.
Mustang.
Yeah. All front wheel drive, brakes. And then just let the back end go around.
Just let it rip. Anyways, we're trying to figure out what to do today. I was like, we should light the Mustang on fire, but Justin didn't want to because it's not his. So I suggested we take the Kia.
Oh, really?
Dad, can we take your Kia through fire?
As long as you don't damage it. And bring it back clean.
Bring it back. I'll get Justin to wash it.
What?
What?
I'm always on dish duty.
You're always on dish duty. We got a few guys coming down. They're going to check out the place. They want to rip. They have some cars they want to jump later this year. So they're just driving by. They're from Toronto. Anyways, they're going to give us a tour. The one's bringing I got the one to pick up a package for me. He's like, yeah, I'm in Sarnia. I'm like, can you swing by Port Huron and pick up a package for me? I don't even know this guy. He's like, yeah, 100%. Like,
What's
perfect.
the value of this package?
Like $1,000. They're custom knee braces. So anyways, hopefully they're supposed to be here in 20 minutes. So yeah. Anyways, so we'll wait till they get here and then drive through some fire.
I mean, if he doesn't come back, we can take the Mustang through fire. But that's if he doesn't.
In a couple weeks.
Yeah. If I haven't heard anything. We're taking it through fire.
Perfect.
100%.
Let's roll. Just look at it. Take it all in. Is that one of those things that's like good from afar but far from good?
Yeah. That's exactly it. I like my life.
I mean, it's still a Mustang, but like it sounds like it's been beat on hard. But you said you couldn't even get the brake dust off the rims?
I mean, it's on there pretty good. It's kind of, it is a Mustang. It still
doesn't look like he's ever cleaned the rims.
Well, look at it. It's like,
look at the rotors.
It's actually.
Oh my God! It's worn right through the metal.
Yeah, it's steel on steel.
Does he just drive and go? Who cares about maintenance?
I'm guessing so.
I still think we should drive this through fire.
There's a lot. Like there's even brake dust on the handle.
How do you get brake dust on the handle?
I don't know. It's just from.
I never know what he's doing back there.
It definitely needs a wash.
It's more than just a wash. I don't even want to look
at
the
detailed inside.
Yeah.
So it's actually clean now. But
I just need to do the outside.
yeah, I don't know if that's gonna come off. But pressure wash and see what happens.
We'll spray some spray 9 on it, see if we can melt it off. Anyways, we got.
Sounds decent.
Yeah, sounds decent. Anyways, we got a few minutes to burn, so I figured. When was the last time you drove a dirt bike, Justin? Probably mine
my high
last
school
year.
days. No.
You've driven mine, haven't you?
I don't.
You don't know? Don't remember? Like 1,000 beers ago?
Something like that.
Well, fire it up. Let's go for a scoot. Before we light this key on fire. I get kicked out. Yeah, watch out for those lawn chairs.
It's like no one uses the garage. Has a garage.
This is why I need to hire you.
Thank you.
Because you just...
I've only been saying this.
You're just good at stuff.
Sorry, I didn't do the Larry and Teicher unload where you just dragged it off sideways.
That's how I like doing it. You know how to start the thing?
Oh.
It's 3 kicks. It doesn't like to start on the first one. It's always the third one.
Always the third one?
Always the third. Maybe pull the choke out too. It's up front, right behind the rad. I think.
Well, that's a stupid place.
There it is. Yeah, I know. I burned so many gloves.
Hopefully I don't pull another hernia.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I forgot about that.
Huh?
I forgot about that. You're healed by now. Hey, see, I told you, third kick.
Second, third and a half.
2.5, 2.5.
The other
can barely see him though. I lost my hat on the way down. It's on the hill somewhere. Oh, I almost had to drive. So that's good. That's good. That's always a plus. So much nicer down here. It's less breezy. It's actually warm. I just saw the bald eagle fly by too. I don't know where he went. I never know what he's doing. All right. Don't wipe out. Don't blow your hernia again. I never know what my bike actually sounds like because I'm always the one riding it. But it doesn't sound too bad. Good, good. I wonder where the eagle went. How is it?
Definitely different than the quad.
She's a little faster than the quad.
Never find neutral.
Yeah, that's between first and sixth.
First and
Oh,
sixth.
you shut it off.
Wasn't I supposed to shut her off?
No.
Well,
Never shut it off. I just rack up hours, like
Rack the hours.
all the hours.
Feels good though.
It does feel good. All right, let's head back up. Those guys should be here now, and then we'll go light the Kia on fire.
Hey. Field is definitely rough. There's a lot of holes in there.
Oh yeah, there's a couple dents. All right, you ready, Justin?
I'm always like there.
Mentally, or
I don't know.
that was weird.
What?
I don't know, some weird. I zoomed in on you, and there's like some weird heaven glares. All right, Dad, we're going to light your car on fire. Okay. All right, we'll see you later. See you. Always. Okay. All right, we need paper towels, gasoline. I grabbed paper towels. I got a lighter. That little guy. Need the potato gun. I just oiled her up. So she should be good to go. What else? I think that's it. Oh, we got to pump the potato gun up.
You check there's air in here?
There shouldn't be any air in it. I don't think I left any air in it. Oh, there's a little half pound in there. Hope you guys have been enjoying the fire videos. I get so many clickbait comments, but you know what? At least my screenshots are actually or the thumbnail is an actual screenshot from the video. Half the videos on YouTube now are literally just like, they're so clickbait and they're not even a part of the video. So at least we're doing the right thing.
We were driving down the road, like, can you imagine we drove off the ditch right now, like off this bridge, went down through here, we engulfed in fire, like, oh, we can use that in the video title, like, we could have died. Like,
we could have died, yeah. No, you talked about it. Oh, I've been getting so much flack about jumping out of vehicles and letting them ghost right off the jump too. It's like, yeah, if I stayed in, I probably would have died. They're like, oh, you pussy, you jumped out. It's like, you guys are welcome to come out and ghost or drive it right off that jump, but I like my life, so we're gonna light the Kia on fire instead.
Did you get a machete?
Did I get a machete? More like I've had a machete for years.
It's like a ninja star.
I almost got arrested at the border.
For a ninja star?
Oh yeah, don't have that shit on your receipts. They don't like that.
Okay, fair. Right there, the big one.
So we put the spear in here real quick, I threw some rags in there, we want to clean it out. And instead of taking the spear back out, I think we should shoot it out.
Shoot it?
You want to shoot at the tree over there?
Yeah, I'll shoot at the tree.
Let's shoot at the tree.
Let's go away from all these windows of the vehicle.
Yeah, I don't want it to ricochet and hit the house, sorry. Or that Mustang. Who cares about the other Ford? Golden?
Golden, pony. Yeah, that wasn't a very big wad in there.
No. Well, yeah, I guess I need a bigger plug, eh?
Ah, worse. You forget to plug it.
Hey, it's still pretty good depth of the tree.
Oh, yeah.
All right, well, we cleaned it out. See, there's a bit of oil on it because I like to oil this thing up or else the valve gets sticky and then the gun becomes crap, so.
Can't call
now
the gun.
We're good to go.
Can't call the gun these days anymore.
I know. Junk. Potato gun, GoPro,
Potato.
Kia. We're gonna go attempt to take some airbags out of the out of the Impala again, the driver's side, and then we're gonna light this Kia on fire. Then go up to the house, wash it, and wrap this thing up. So, how you doing, GoPro guy?
I think we're good.
All right.
I don't know. You never know with a GoPro.
Never know. Let's go rip some airbags out.
Yeah.
All right, I think I got the right tools this time. You got the Launch-O-Matic? How'd you like my spare or passenger side airbag? Take it out.
I like that.
I just kicked it open. I think we should get the driver's side though.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
How's she going down there?
Oh, she's going.
Is that the right size?
I don't know.
Don't even know. Well, we got a couple bolts in, but a lot more complicated than we thought, as always. So we're saying, screw it, we gotta go. Head back up, get the old Kia washed up, and then wrap her up here. Oh, Ford. Should light this bad boy on fire again.
Well, that was cool. Oh, that's cool. The mirrors tilt back. Let me back up. I don't know if it's gonna be like a Kia commercial or what this is. This is in no way sponsored by Kia. This is not a paid endorsement. A lot of people think this is just first try kind of thing. Like, oh yeah, you guys just nailed it the first time. No. It's not. Here we go. It's about to get hot. Woo! It's kind of weird that you can actually feel the heat in the vehicle.
Well, first attempt didn't go so well. I shot a little too soon, a little too high, so we're gonna fill her up with gas again and redo it. We got right up to the house though and pump her back up. So a couple more minutes, then we'll do her again. How was it, Justin?
It was good.
Yeah? Keep you on your toes?
Yeah. Good. A lot back and forth.
Yeah. Good. All right, try again. Round two. We pumped her up. Hopefully this will work this time. Yeah, it's just it's where you put your darts after.
Yeah.
It's a bit of an ashtray. We used to shove bullets in my old truck. So whoever bought my old truck, there's bullets in it. All right, let's try her.
Woo!
Mission complete. No warped plastic. Bit of soot on the old girl. Hey, we built this city?
We built this city. And then we burnt it down.
We'll go give her an old wash and then throw the keys back to my dad.
Thanks, Rob.
I don't want to trade it.
Couple clean cars. And look who showed up, the Black Stallion.
I'm back.
Hey, you want to trade the old Chevy for the Mustang?
Look at this thing.
It comes with nice brown rims. I think they're more of a copper tone
This is
tight
beat up.
thing. I can't believe those brake pads.
There is no
Or brake discs.
It's on steel and
Calipers.
Oh my gosh.
Steel on steel. That's how we like it.
steel. Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I hope you guys enjoyed driving my dad. How was it driving my dad's car?
It was great.
Did it feel?
I was in a paid promotion for sure. While
It felt
driving
good.
that. It felt good.
Good.
It felt right.
You didn't
Nice
die?
hubcaps.
Oh.
Hey,
Hey,
hey.
look at those. All right, we'll wrap this up. Thank you guys again for everything. We'll see you later.